5 a.m. We're in the taxi. We are at the airport in Kathmandu, about to fly out to Lukla to begin our trek through the Everest region. This is known as the most dangerous airport in the world. If you go look up pictures of it now, you'll understand why. Let's hit your best poop.
Hey, let me get everything bagel, scoop it out, and I'll do taking 40 pounds of poop on it. Yeah, throw a little poop on there.
Just a little poop on the side, you know. Izzy is famous. Okay, now we're all getting in a picture with them. So we got Trevor, and he's got self-enabling help. And then we've got Steven, and he's got Selena Bung help. We're boarding the plane, and Sonam has got Ox, currently playing Cotton Eye Joe. And are starting our trek. There's the gate right here.
You guys thought you were like heroes? I'm gonna break you, boss. Wow.
Sonam has a Bluetooth speaker and is playing music. He's become the very thing Colorado hikers have sworn to destroy. He's a Sherpa, so he can do what he wants here.
This is what you listen to if you download Geometry Dash from Nepal, dude.
Dude. Come around the bend and like... Yo, we got Devin the dad pulling up like it's Yellowstone National Park. Hey Susan, get over here. What are you doing?
All those mountains produce lots of water, and there is a hydropower.
No way you're gonna make 14 days. No way. Jerky, you do it.
Bro, just cut me off. How you feeling, Trevor?
Hey, that was good.
This is where we will be staying for our first night in the Khumbu, and the surrounding area is just so pretty. It's unreal.
At the tea house, they got quantum physics. They know what's up.
I think one of the crazy things that I'm realizing about this trip is like we wake up in a destination, we hike to a destination, but we still have like plenty of daylight left. So like we just get to this spot, set all our stuff down, and then we kind of just have free reign to explore. So me, Trevor, and Steven are just kind of exploring right now. And I mean, look at what's accompanying us. And right now, we're hiking up to this Buddhist monastery that is right in front of this cave. Also, just to clarify, because it was something I was concerned about, we did get permission from Sonam to come here, and he did not say it was sacred nor disrespectful. That was up where we were at.
Sure you draw?
Yeah.
Oh, probably like the mountain.
Yeah!
Yeah, yo, drop the book.
Oh!